Hi everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to take you over a 1640 Rockwood. So this is the smallest tent trailer we carry, and you can tow it with just about anything. It's the ESP package, so it's got the bigger wheels and tires, great clearance. Let's start off going over the interior and we'll finish off on the exterior. Follow me inside. So I don't want you to see that sale price because it's a really good sale price. So if you're looking for a small, lightweight, and inexpensive tent trailer, this is a great option for you. You've got a smaller bed in back, and then a larger bed up here in front. Both mattresses are heated mattresses. If you get cold at night, you can plug them in and keep them nice and warm. You've got this nice dinette here, this L-shaped dinette. Great place for eating. Your table is here. Across from the dinette, you've got a 2-burner stove, which also can be removed and taken outside and used to cook outside as well. Down below here, this is an LP furnace, so it does get pretty hot. You've got storage, both cabinet door and drawers. They come all the way out. And then there's another little cabinet door here. Okay, and your refrigerator is over here. Oops. Here we go. It's a nice little fridge here. Thermostat next to that. 110 outlet, your stereo. A little more storage there below your sink. And we move over here. And we've got additional storage. Right now the 2 battery boxes are in there. Alright, so let's finish up by going over the exterior features. So like I talked about at the beginning, this is an ESP package, so you get a bigger wheel and tire. Great clearance here, so you don't have to worry about catching on anything. If you're an off-road camper who likes to do dry camping, this is a great option for you. I see a lot of Jeeps going with this trailer. So here is propane. This is plumbed into your onboard propane, so you can use that stove that comes outside and use this to cook with. You don't have to bring extra propane with you. This rail here is a place where a little table can mount for prepping while you're cooking out here. Got an outside speaker, 110 power. This is the exhaust for your furnace. It does get hot. Little light here, amber light, so it'll reduce the amount of bugs that like to come visit you at night. This is a really small, lightweight travel trailer. If this is what you're looking for, or if you have questions on any of our other inventory, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.